Good morning.
Good morning.
I have a visitor here from the United States of America, a Filipino, also a devotee of Our Lady of Manaoag. Good morning po. Can
Good
I know
morning
your
po.
can I know your name?
Dick Velasco po.
Dick Velasco. Can you share to us anything about Our Lady of Manaoag? What has she done to your life?
Definitely a lot of things. And in 1999, I heard about the Lady of Manaoag and I became so attached to her. Pero hindi pa ako nagkakaroon ng chance na pumasyal sa kanya. In 1999, I think it was something in June, right? Uh, nagkataon na pumunta kami sa Baguio the Way and dumaan kami rito and it was like a calling and I never expected I was so excited. So we passed by here and I bought this little
What's that?
picture which has traveled with me to Europe, a lot of places in Europe, to Portugal, Fatima, Paris, Lourdes, saan. Pag nasa hospital ako nito, dala-dala ko ito. And I have been devoted, my wife and I have been devoted to her. And every day we pray. And Father, I made a chaplet for her. This is a chaplet, right? You start with the petition here to Our Lady of Manaoag.
Yes.
Then I believe in God.
Yes.
Then Hail Holy Queen, Our Father, and 12 Hail Marys corresponding to the stars niya, 12 stars.
Yes.
And we pray this every day devotedly. And the lady has saved me virtually from dying. Nung nasa hospital ako, nagkaroon ako ng cancer operation. They removed my left kidney. And I had a cyanotic reaction. I could not breathe. I died. Alam niyo ang ginawa ko? I reached for her and I held her in my arm, so close like this.
Yes.
And in about 2 minutes, nakahinga ako. And when I have terrible pain dito, no?
Yes.
Talaga yung parang hindi talaga makakatigis. I just grab hold of her and pag inakap ko siya nawawala. And so I have been so devoted to the Lady of Manaoag. And dapat itong biyahe namin ngayon, dapat sa Rome, kasi gusto niya sa Rome. Pero sabi ko dito tayo sa Manaoag kasi hindi pa siya nakapunta rito. And I think I have said quite enough.
Yes. So, this is what Our Lady of Manaoag has done to us.
She's very miraculous. And like I said, she saved me a lot of times. Hindi lang minsan. 2 or 3 times. And when I'm in pain, she eases the pain too. Depende ako sa kanya. Kaya ito, I bought this in 1999. And when I came back, I promised that I was going to bring it, sa dalawa kami, tatlo kami, pati yung isang anak ko ngayon. And my son-in-law, na napasyal man lamang kami dito. And this trip, I think she made it also possible. Kung gusto niya talaga, she makes it possible na makakarating sa kanya. And I'm really very thankful na we have her.
Okay, thank you very much and may God bless you all.
Salamat po.
Thank you.